What's up, everybody? My name is Johnny. Behind me is my 2020 BMW M4. I'm excited to talk to you about it. This is my new channel that I'm gonna post videos, short and long form, going into the details of this car. This is one of my dream cars. I've wanted it my whole life, pretty much. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So, all right, a couple things. I got this car back in May of 2024 and it's been awesome. I've done a few things to it. I'll talk to you guys more about that in a later video. It is modified, it has a tune on it. I can kind of go into that in more detail later, but just want to focus on a drive today with just some sound. And my check engine light's on. That's okay. Don't flame me in the comments. It's just an O2 sensor. So yeah, I got a downpipe and I forgot to clear the code. So Let's take a look. What she's looking like in the rain.